In today's video lesson, we'll be learning about the awesome crustacean. Our objective for today is to be able to describe the characteristics of crustaceans. Your vocabulary for today will include crustaceans and metamorphosis. If you've ever eaten shrimp cocktail or crab cakes, then you have dined on crustaceans. Crayfish and lobsters are other familiar crustaceans. Crustaceans thrive in freshwater lakes and rivers, and even in puddles if they last a long time. You can find them in the deepest parts of the ocean and along the coastlines. A few, like the pillbug, live in damp places on land. The body structure of crustaceans share certain characteristics. So, a crustacean is an arthropod that has 2 or 3 body sections, 5 or more pairs of legs, and 2 pairs of antennae. So, that's your definition for your vocabulary word crustaceans. Again, it's a crustacean. It is an arthropod that has 2 or 3 body sections, 5 or more pairs of legs, and 2 pairs of antennae. Now, each crustacean body segment has a pair of legs or another type of appendage attached to it. The various types of appendages function differently, as you can see in the image shown. The appendages attached to the head of a crayfish include 2 pairs of antennae that are used for smelling, tasting, touching, and for keeping balance. The crayfish uses most of its leg appendages for walking. However, it uses its first pair of legs, called chelipeds, for obtaining food and for defending itself. Because crustaceans live in watery environments, most have gills in order to obtain the oxygen that they need. And the gills are located beneath the shell of a crustacean. Water containing oxygen reaches the gills as a crustacean moves along in its environment. Crustaceans obtain food in many different ways. Some are scavengers that eat dead plants and animals, while others are predators eating the animals that they have themselves killed. The pistol shrimp is a predator with an appendage that moves with such force that it stuns its prey. Krill, which are shrimp-like crustaceans that live in cold ocean waters, are herbivores that eat plant-like microorganisms. In turn, krill are eaten by predators such as fishes, penguins, seals, and even great blue whales, the world's largest animal. Most crustaceans, such as crabs, barnacles, and shrimp, begin their lives as microscopic swimming larvae. The bodies of these larvae do not resemble those of adults, of course. Crustacean larvae develop into adults by metamorphosis, your second vocabulary word and last one. Metamorphosis is a process in which an animal's body undergoes dramatic changes in form during its life cycle.